Imagine a kitchen basin that knows you. One that anticipates your needs, saves you time, and transforms the heart of your home. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is 2026. While most people are still installing yesterday's sinks, the future is already taking shape. In this exclusive first look, we're revealing the groundbreaking materials, the insane smart technology, and the stunning designs that will redefine your kitchen forever. The links to get your hands on these future-proof basins are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. KRAUS Kore 32-inch. Workstation sink with integrated ledge for sliding accessories allows you to effectively utilize the space above your sink, streamlining your kitchen tasks and significantly minimizing clutter on the kitchen counter. This design is particularly beneficial for those who enjoy cooking and food preparation, as it enables you to chop and slice ingredients directly on the durable bamboo cutting board provided. Furthermore, after washing your dishes, you can conveniently dry them on the heavy-duty rolling mat, making the entire process more efficient. Outer sink dimensions measure a spacious 32 inches in length, 19 inches in width, and 10.5 inches in depth, accommodating various kitchen tasks with ease. The bowl dimensions are also generous, measuring 30 inches in length, 16 inches in width, and 10 inches in depth, making this sink ideal for large pots, pans, and stacks of dishes. It is designed to fit in a minimum cabinet size of 36 inches, ensuring compatibility with standard kitchen cabinetry. Number 2. KRAUS Standart PRO 28-inch. The stainless steel kitchen sink boasts a universal design that seamlessly blends with various kitchen styles. Constructed from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, it ensures longevity and durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of daily use. The sink features easy-to-clean tightly rounded corners, enhancing both its aesthetics and practicality by facilitating low-maintenance upkeep. In terms of specifications, the external dimensions of the sink measure 28 inches in length, 19 inches in width, and 10.5 inches in depth. The bowl dimensions are slightly smaller at 26 inches in length, 17 inches in width, and 10 inches in depth. To ensure proper installation, it requires a minimum cabinet size of 33 inches. The kit includes everything needed for installation, such as the kitchen sink itself, a bottom grid to protect the sink's surface, a drain assembly equipped with a strainer, necessary mounting hardware, a cutout template for precise cabinetry adjustments, and a KRAUS kitchen towel for added convenience. Number 3. Ruvati 36-inch rounded. Ledges on the front and back of the Ruvati workstation sink provide a convenient track for the included accessories, enhancing versatility in kitchen tasks. The ledge fit system allows for compatibility with over 40 optional ledge fit accessories, all of which are interchangeable between various Ruvati workstation sinks. This feature offers homeowners limitless customization options for their kitchen setups, catering to individual styles and preferences. The apron front design showcases a bold stainless steel front installation, adding a stylish touch to any kitchen decor. Crafted from premium 16-gauge T304 grade stainless steel, specifically with an 18/10 chromium/nickel composition, this sink guarantees durability by being resistant to rust and staining, making it a long-lasting addition to your home. Featuring a commercial-grade brushed finish, the surface is designed to be easy to clean while effectively hiding scratches from daily use. This finish also complements kitchen appliances, creating a cohesive aesthetic. Number 4. Undermount kitchen sink. Crafted from premium fire clay that is fired at high temperatures, this Undermount kitchen sink boasts an impressive durability that resists chips, scratches, and thermal shock, making it an excellent investment for any kitchen. The non-porous surface is specially designed to prevent staining, ensuring it maintains its glossy white finish for years to come, even with heavy usage in demanding kitchen environments. This makes it ideal for anyone who enjoys cooking and entertaining, as it can withstand the rigors of daily meals without showing signs of wear and tear. White medium star smooth glazed surface and easy cleaning. The fire clay drop-in kitchen sink features an incredibly smooth, glossy white surface that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. Its design resists food residue, stains, and yellowing, keeping it looking fresh and clean. The flat bottom comes with a gentle slope, allowing for easy drainage and providing stable placement for various kitchen items. Additionally, the rounded corners are a thoughtful feature that enables effortless cleaning, as there are no hard-to-reach spots. Crafted with a durable, high-temperature resistant glaze, this white kitchen sink is built to withstand scratches, ensuring that it will not fade or crack over time. This means you can enjoy a beautifully pristine appearance for many years without the need for constant upkeep. Number 5. 29.5 by 17.7 inch kitchen sink. Exterior dimensions of the kitchen sink are 29.52 inches in length, 17.7 inches in width, and 8.66 inches in depth. The interior dimensions measure 27.56 inches in length, 13.78 inches in width, and maintain the depth of 8.66 inches. To accommodate the sink, the minimum cabinet size required is 36 inches. The top mount cutout dimensions for installation are 730 mm x 430 mm. The sink comes pre-drilled with 3 holes, each with a diameter of 35 mm, allowing for easy installation of fixtures. Constructed from high-quality 304 grade stainless steel, this kitchen sink offers exceptional hardness and durability. It features a nano coating on the surface, providing rust resistance while also allowing for easy cleaning of grease and other residues. To enhance user experience, the kitchen sink is equipped with a thickened sound insulation coating underneath. This helps to significantly reduce noise produced by the flow of water, making for a quieter kitchen environment. Additionally, the drainage system employs a sealing design, effectively preventing any unpleasant odors from emanating from the drain hole. And there you have it, a glimpse into the future of your kitchen. Which of these incredible 2026 ready basins was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, every single basin we featured today, from the smart tech marvels to the revolutionary sustainable designs, is linked for you in the video description. If your mind is racing thinking about your next kitchen remodel, do us a favor, give this video a thumbs up, it really helps us out. Share it with anyone planning a kitchen upgrade. And for more exclusive peeks at the future of home tech, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.